friends, I'm Tatiyana, and welcome to my tasty tour where we'll meet amazing fruits and vegetables. Oh look, it's an apple! Apples come in different colors like red, green, and yellow. Yum! Yum! It's a crunchy carrot. Carrots can help to keep your eyes sharp. It's a yellow banana. Bananas are filled with vitamins and minerals, which helps you grow strong and keep you healthy. It's a tasty, easy to peel, and great for a quick snack. Broccoli looks like a tiny tree. It has vitamins that make your bones strong. Eating broccoli helps your body stay strong and ready for fun and play. Oranges are like sunshine for your body. They're filled with vitamin C, which helps you stay healthy and fight off yucky germs. They're sweet and juicy, making snack time extra tasty and good for you. These red wonders also have vitamins to help your eyes see well. They are squishy, tasty, and keep you feeling super. I love mangoes! Mangoes are like golden treasures of yumminess. Eating mangoes makes your skin look healthy and your bones happy. They taste so sweet and juicy. Potatoes have something called carbohydrates. Oh my! That's a big word. It means that it gives you extra energy to have fun and play. Whether mashed, baked, or in yummy fries, potatoes are tasty. Watermelon is filled with water, keeping you cool and refreshed. Those red and green slices are packed with vitamins that make your bones strong and your skin extra happy. Hi, little peas! These little green heroes are packed with fiber, making sure your tummy feels good and happy. Peas give your body the green goodness it needs to play and have fun. Grapes are like nature's candy. They come in different colors like red and green. These little bites are tasty treats that makes your heart happy and gives you a burst of energy for all your adventures. Thank you for joining me on this tasty tour. Remember, fruits and vegetables are not only delicious, but also help us grow strong and healthy. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, tap the bell button so you never miss a new fun and learn adventure.